What unique environmental forces, such as vibration, altitude, temperature, landing impact, must helicopters' cargo containers withstand? With our cases that we build are customized to every individual helicopter company. Military helicopters, they seem to have a lot more standards according to several different MIL standards that they have to adhere to. We mainly work in the commercial side of it, so therefore we are already at a UNPG-1 standard, which means they do get dropped from 5.9 feet high on a flat drop to ensure the workability and toughness of our case that can withstand that type of rugged drop. If a customer wants a vibration test, they want to see what their part, let's go with blade boxes for their rotor blades, can it maintain a particular type of vibration? Their engineers will get with me and give me the go, no-go degrees of where their vibration needs to be at. And we'll get with our engineers and we'll devise a custom insert that can meet that standard and requirement that they're asking for. As far as humidity, we do put humidity indicators on the outside and a place for desiccant bags that draw up the humidity within the case. We also go to the length of putting a nitrogen port on the outside to allow the customer to insert gas, a nitrogen gas, which allows a long-standing outside. If the case is going to be outside, it can withstand the temperature changes, the outdoor rains and whatnot. How does container engineering ensure that sensitive or hazardous cargo remains secure in Rotary-Wing operations? Well, being on site at the customer side is key. I usually will take an engineer with me if we're doing a customized case for that particular helicopter company. They'll come on site, we'll discuss with their engineers, along with our engineers, and create a great path to ensure the proper case is built for their particular part, especially when they start working with the engines. We really want to get everybody on the same page to see the different requirements they want to have, and then we do the drawings and kind of go from there. What standards or testing protocols apply specifically to helicopter-based transport versus ground or fixed-wing logistics? Yeah, we really don't change our standards as far as Rotary-Wing, fixed-wing, or even ground. All of our cases, our customized cases, are UNPG-1 tested, meaning the 5.9-foot drop. And we still go on site, we still visit with each customer, getting their requirements that they want and things they might not want. And then we ensure they get the humidity indicator with the desiccant bag holder, and then we have a port for the nitrogen gas to get inserted in there. But as far as having a difference, I would say the Americase containers are the most robust that you're going to find in the marketplace.